Let us try to solve for the value of x of this given rational equation. So we have here 7x plus 12 over 4x plus 3 is equal to 2/5. So ang gagawin natin is kukunin muna natin yung LCD ng 4x plus 3 and 5. So of course, ang LCD niyan is yung 5 multiplied by 4x plus 3. So ang gagawin natin sa ating LCD is pang-multiply lang natin siya both side. Ito yung LCD natin, 5 multiplied by 4x plus 3. At sa kabila din naman, ganun din ang gagawin natin, multiply mo rin siya ng 5 multiplied by 4x plus 3. So ang mangyari dyan, itong expression na ito, i-multiply mo dito. Okay? So ganun din dito, itong expression na ito, i-multiply mo rin dito. So, para mapa-shortcut natin, so kung may makita kang like terms dito, so ito, katulad niyan, tsaka ito, cancel mo na lang yan. Tapos, ang natira na lang natin is yung 5 multiplied by 7x plus 12. Okay, so which is yung ito, tsaka yung ito. Then, of course, ito naman, yung 5 tsaka 5, so they are just the same. So, cancel mo na lang yan. So, ang natira natin is yung 2 multiplied by 4x plus 3. So, distributive property tayo. So, 5 times 7x. So, we know that this is equal siya sa 35x. Then, 5 times 12. So, we know that this is equal siya sa positive 60. Which is equal siya, equal to 2 times 4x. So, this is equal to 8x. Then, 2 times 3. So, this is equal to 6. So, pagsama-sama natin yung may variables sa kabilang side at yung constant naman natin sa kabilang side natin. Okay, so itong 35x, bring down natin yan. Tapos itong 8x ay ilipat natin sa kabila. Pag ilipat natin sa kabila, yung positive 8x, so magiging negative 8x na lamang. So, which is equal to 6. Bring down natin yung positive 6 na ito. Then of course, lipat natin sa kabila yung positive 60, magiging negative 60. So pag isi-simplify natin ito, so magkakaroon tayo dito ng 35 minus 8x. So magkakaroon tayo ng 27x, which is equal to 6 minus 60. So this is equal to negative 54. Then get the value of x. So divide mo lang siya by 27 by 27. So 27 divided by 27 is 1. So x na lang natira natin. Then of course, negative 54 divided by positive 27. So this is negative 2. So ibig sabihin, ang value ng x natin is equal to negative 2. So pwede mo rin yan i-check natin sa ating original equation. So, isa-substitute mo yan kung tama yung sagot natin na negative 2. So, you can do the checking. Okay, so check mo lang. So, of course, isa-substitute mo lang siya dito, yung original given equation, yung nakuha mo na negative 2. So, magkakaroon ka dito ng 7 times negative 2 plus 12 over 4 times negative 2 plus 3, which is equal siya sa 2/5. So, in this case, so this is 7 times negative 2. So, this is negative 14. Ito yon. Then, of course, plus 12. Then, over 4 times negative 2. So, this is equal to negative 8. Then, of course, plus 3. So, this is equal siya sa plus 3. Then, 2/5. Then, 14, negative 14 plus 12. So, we know that this is equal siya sa negative 2. Then, negative 8 plus 3. So, this is equal to positive, negative 5 rather. So, this is equal to negative 5, which is equal to 2/5. So, negative divided by negative is positive. So, magkakaroon tayo dito ng positive 2/5, which is equal to positive 2/5. So, ibig sabihin, since nag-equal itong dalawang to, so ibig sabihin, we are confident na tama yung sagot natin na negative 2.